What's up you guys, and welcome to today's video. Today we have a special unboxing of the Nothing Phone 3A Pro. I went with the black color because it looks like everybody had the gray color, and so I kind of wanted to change it up a little bit. If you guys haven't heard of Nothing, they mainly started off with headphones, ear headphones, and now they're doing phones. This is my very first Nothing product, and just to make stuff clear, Nothing didn't send this to me. I bought this with my own hard-earned money, and if you're wondering what the price for this phone is, it is $459. But nonetheless, let's not waste any more time and let's unbox it. So this is the box that it came in. I'm really excited to get this phone out and see what it's like. I am I'm a tech enthusiast, and I've only heard great things about this, so let's get into it. So here is the box. Let me zoom in here for you guys. Alright, so yeah guys, this is the box. Nothing right here on the top left corner. The Phone 3A Pro, and I like how they have like the back of the phone, the camera lens here. It's actually different than what most manufacturers are doing nowadays. But so far the presentation is great. It doesn't come covered in plastic. It's honestly just like a box and with all of the information here. So I went with color black. Nothing Phone 3A Pro. It has 12 gigabytes of RAM, and I have the 256 gigabyte model. So let's not waste any more time and let's get into it. You have a little tab right here that says open, so we just peel that off. Okay, and now you just like kind of push this up. Just like that, and then take the phone out. And now if you look closely here, they have kind of like the same picture design here. They have the same lens that they put on the box. It's just more like a 3D print right here. And then you fold this open, which honestly, I like that. It's pretty seamless, It says, welcome to Nothing. Well, isn't this exciting? Moments like this are why we are here, that anticipate to get started, to unlock something new. Thank you for being part of our world. Here your voice can be heard and your creativity collaborated, which is true, and I'll get more into that in a second. Use hashtag with Nothing on Instagram and X for a chance to be featured, or help build the future by joining Nothing.community, and it has a QR code here. So far, love the presentation, and here is the phone itself. And so you have your volume up, volume down here, your power button, your SIM card will go here, and this is where you plug it in. Let's take that to the side for a second. You do not get a brick with this, but that's kind of standard nowadays. No real manufacturers are doing that anymore. You do get this USB-C to USB-C cable, and if you look closely, it says Nothing right there. So yeah, not bad. You have usual paperwork, and we have one more box here. Oh, and they give you a little SIM eject tool here. Yep, that's pretty much everything that you get in the box. And here is the phone. So first impressions, it's got a good amount of weight to it. The camera lens is definitely a little bit on the bigger side, but I could see holding it won't be an issue. Let's go ahead and remove this plastic. And now this is what I'm really excited about, is the design that they have for this phone. It's definitely unique. It's not something that you'll see out there. Once I go ahead and power it on, I'll let you know. But yeah, honestly, the design, I don't know if minimalist is the correct way of saying it, but For someone that's like a tech enthusiast, being able to see all of this, you know, with the screws, the camera lenses and everything, I dig it. Honestly speaking, it's definitely a pretty nice feature. It has nothing right here on the bottom left, and yeah, it's got a good amount of weight to it. Not gonna lie on that. It comes with it already comes with a screen protector straight from the box. But let's go ahead and power this baby on. All right, when you power it on, nothing, powered by Android. And now I've heard only great things about their software, so I'm really excited to see what all that is about. Wait, hello there. Let's change this to English for the United States. All right, let's press hello. Connected to mobile network if you have a SIM card, insert now. I'm gonna do this later, so let's go ahead and just skip that for now. And yep, it'll ask me to connect from our Wi-Fi. I have to say, the typing on this thing feels really good. It's got like a really good haptic feedback, similar to like the Pixels and the Galaxies of the world. So now we're just getting my phone ready, and this may take a few minutes. Copy and scan. So we're definitely gonna copy my information right now. I'm currently using the S24 Ultra, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. Now use another device, either another Android device, or I want to see if I could do this. I guess honestly speaking, I'm gonna just speed through this and set it up later. Yeah, let's turn on backup, set a pin. All right, let's do our fingerprint. Honestly though, if like, you know, I just reviewed the iPhone 16e, and for less money, I'm already liking this a lot better. All right, now we're getting my phone ready. But yeah guys, that design is, woo, I like it. I can't complain. It's definitely, if you look closely, a little bit of a fingerprint magnet. So I guess I would have to, you know, zonk that if I'm being truthfully honest. It says meet the glyph interface, a new way to interact with your phone. And so for the people that don't know, that would be like these lights over here, and I'll show you guys in a second. So if I'm getting a call, it'll blink like that, like if I have my if I have my phone facing down. Okay, so this one will turn on when I get a notification. It's for a timer. Oh, that's pretty nice actually. Essential key, I guess this is your essential key right over here. Essential key, capture your thoughts on the go with the power of AI, and press and hold essential keys to capture the screen. Keep holding to record audio. And of course we have OS 3.0. And yeah, honestly speaking, you know, this by no means is a review. This is just an unboxing, but so far, I'm digging it. So I'm gonna go ahead and download this update right now, and we'll be right back. All right, you guys, so now the phone is powering back on. I have to say it was actually pretty quick. It might have took maybe like, what, 3 or 4 minutes. I like how nothing is like dotted in like that. It's actually pretty sick. I still can't get over this though. It's like, whew. I know it's not for everybody, but to me, I like it. If only it just wasn't a fingerprint magnet though. But, you know, you can't have everything, I guess. And at this price point, can you really complain? $459? I don't think so. Nonetheless, it's 7:13 here. It's Saturday. This is the wallpaper. Put in my passcode. Let the phone start up. And whew, honestly, I was actually being a little skeptical about budget phones, and you can categorize this as a budget phone at $459, at least to me. And I have to say that I am truly impressed. The screen is so smooth, the display. Let's see the brightness. Wow, okay, the brightness is definitely good, I believe. All right guys, but let's talk about the cameras. So it has a 50 megapixel Meriscope camera with a 70mm focal length, 3x, 6x, and 60 ultra zoom. It's got an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera at 15mm focal length and a 120 degree field of view. It has a 50 megapixel selfie camera, so we'll definitely be testing that out. It has ultra XDR, portrait mode, and it does have night mode as well. It's got 4K recording. All right, now let's talk about the chip on this phone. Again, I mean, this is just an unboxing. It's not like a full in-depth review. Snapdragon 7S Gen 3. So it's an 8-core CPU with up to 2.5 gigahertz of Qualcomm AI engine and up to 20 gigabytes of RAM. And honestly, the best part is that it has a 5,000 milliamp battery. On a budget phone, I mean, it really doesn't get better than that if you ask me. It is IP64 water and dust resistant, so it's not like your flagship phones, but you know, it's definitely up there. It has a 3000 nits peak brightness, 120 hertz adaptive refresh rate. That's enough of the boring stuff, right? But yeah, I mean, wow, I don't know. I mean, like I said, I was definitely skeptical with this, and obviously we're gonna have to take it through its paces here to see what it's, you know, all about. But I definitely want to test out the camera. Let me go ahead and just take a picture of this. Let's test out the 50 megapixel portrait. Okay, it's not bad. That's pretty much what it looks like, and I'll upload with the full res. You got macro, you got night photography. See how that looks. Honestly though, it's pretty fire. I think that, I mean, I don't want to get ahead of myself over here, but it's definitely a top contender, and I feel like it'll blow a couple flagship phones out of the water. Now, given it doesn't have wireless charging, and I don't know if this is just me, but I never use wireless charging. I still plug it in everywhere I go. Am I old school like that? Probably, but yeah, I rarely ever really plug in. I mean, I rarely ever. Oh, so yeah, let me show you guys the lights here on the back. So you see these lights here? So yeah, these right here are the lights that will tell you when you get like a notification. You can put this one as a timer, or if you're getting a phone call, which I think is pretty cool. Definitely different. Let me see how the texting feels on this. Let's go ahead and go on YouTube and see how the speakers sound, because you know, speakers are definitely very important on any phone that you buy. And let's go to my channel and we'll click on the previous video. Make sure you guys...
Since getting this 120 color marker set from Temu, I've been obsessed with it. This set covers...
I feel like it's been a while since I actually did a video like this, but honestly speaking, the weather's getting a lot better, and I figured, you know, why not, you know, do an unboxing outdoor, get outside of the studio. So we have the iPhone 16e, that everybody's been talking about. Also got this nice little case on there, so let's go ahead and unbox it. You guys already know, 2 little tabs right here. Now let's go ahead and first, that it's super scratchy. Like, you just barely scratch that a little bit and it gets dinged for some reason. Let's go ahead and just remove this and power it on and see what we think. I have to say that the build quality is definitely up there, I would say. All right guys, honestly speaking, they don't sound bad at all. I have to be honest with you. They could be a little bit better, but again, at this price point, for what you can get out there, this definitely knocks everything else out of the water. Like I said, as an enthusiast, as a person that uses different smartphones, I can tell you that if you were to put this inside of a consumer that is not a tech enthusiast and you didn't tell them the price point, I can guarantee you that they wouldn't be able to tell you that this is a budget phone. And I feel like, you know, making a smartphone is definitely not easy. There's a lot of working components that you need to get into, and I feel like they knocked it out of the water with this one. I'm actually really surprised on how good it is. But like I said, I don't want to get ahead of myself. This is just an unboxing. And my first impressions on this phone. We're going to take it through its paces and do a full-on review. Let me know if you guys want me to do an unboxing of the Nothing 3A phone, just the regular one, in the comment section down below, and let me know what you guys think about this. Would you pick a phone up like this? Is it, you know, it's definitely different, but would you consider it? And if you guys have any more questions, put it on the comment section down below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, I'm gonna wrap this one up here. Thank you guys for watching, and catch us on the next video. Peace out.